we live, we're the only tree company. We are the only tree company up there for, yeah, for 500 square miles. So what we do is we do tree work for 6 months out of the year, and then 6 months out of the year we try to find things to do. Well, this is what we're doing for the next 6 months.
How about that? You're going to be here all winter then?
Yeah. Just gonna go home every once in a while to make sure that I still have a marriage.
Okay.
She's a good woman. She won't leave me. But, you know, I got to see her for Thanksgiving and that, you know.
And Christmas maybe.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay.
Maybe New Year's too.
Now, where do you stay? Do you stay at the church?
No, we have a tent.
You have a tent?
Yeah, and guess what? My back is so bad that I've been having a hard time sleeping lately. Not with that tent. That tent, I sleep on the ground, and my back loves it.
All right.
Because we've been doing so much tree work. Let me ask you this: you were here
During the hurricane?
Yeah.
We went to my daughter's in Cottondale.
Okay.
They were here. They weathered it out over there.
And they saw trees coming down all over the place.
We did in Cottondale too, but
Did you?
Wind is flexing.
Yeah.
Rain coming in through the windows.
Wow. It was scary, wasn't it?
It was scary, yes.
Was that your first hurricane?
Very first one.
No
We
way.
lived here close to 50 years.
No kidding. So you guys never had a hurricane come through here for 50 years?
We've had a tornado spin off of a hurricane.
Right.
But as far as this area, no. It's
So
the first one.
this place right now looks a whole lot different than it did.
Ooh, it don't look anything like it. Nothing like it.
It's really hard not to cry when you see this. Right now, we are the only tree company out here because there's no money to be made out here. These are poor people, and so we're gonna give it a try. Gonna try to help these people out as much as we can. We got to get these hangers out of the trees so they don't drop onto cars and stuff or people and cause further damage or injury. And we're going to try to get another volunteer crew back out here. There was another team out here. We're going to try to get them out here to give us a hand. Our goal today is to take down the most dangerous trees that could come over. We have a tropical depression or something coming in tomorrow, bringing a ton of rain. So these trees that have weak root systems right now from the 150-mile-an-hour winds that hit it could real easily come down tomorrow. So we got to make this place safe, and then we got to run over and do another place and make it safe.